Hi, I'm Kim, designer and sales consultant for 24hourfloor.com, and today we're going to talk to you about some of the colors that we offer for your 24-hour floor. The first color we have here is called Shoreline, and it's a mix of some neutral colors. We have a medium beige, a light beige, kind of a cream color, and this one also has black. It also comes with the option of no black, so you can just have the tans and the neutral colors. And it's one of our lightest colors in the palette, and looks great with a neutral color home. This is one of the popular colors in our gray family. It's called Twilight. So it's a mix of light and dark grays and a little bit of white in there, so it looks really pretty on your garage floor, or sidewalk, or patio, or pool deck if you like the gray colors. All right, so one of my favorite colors in the palette here is Shipmate. So it is a mix of aqua, some light blue, some white, and some gray, and it looks really pretty on your pool deck as well as your patios, and very popular in garages, especially with coastal design in your house. So this is a really great color called Shipmate. Here we have the color Sequoia. So this is really popular with driveways. Also, you can put it in your garage, pool deck, sidewalks, any outdoor space, of course. It's very popular with terracotta roofs. It's got a really nice complement to your pavers. So it's a darker side, so you won't see dirt as much. Again, this flooring doesn't stain, so you can clean it off of any color. However, this one will definitely hide most of the dirt that might get on it. Sequoia. Peppercorn. Great color if you want a little mix of the grays and the beige and the black in there. So it's got a nice complement of everything with a little bit of white flake as well. So another good option for your garage floor, driveway, patio, or pool deck. Here we have the color Outback, so very popular color. It has all of the different shades of the neutral that we have in our palette, along with black, white. You have a tiny bit of the lighter terracotta color, some dark brown, some beige. It's really pretty, very popular. It matches almost every paver. It looks beautiful on pool decks, especially if you have a coping that might be the terracotta color around the pool. Beautiful color, and one of our most popular here at 24 Hour Floor. We also have the option of doing the Outback with no black. So it's the same beautiful neutral colors, but you don't have the black chip in it. And it's not any additional cost. It's not considered a custom color. We just happen to have it. Again, beautiful with the lighter if you don't want the black flake in it for some reason, even though the black does look beautiful. Some people prefer without it. So this looks really pretty with, again, driveway, patio, pool deck, wherever you'd like to put it. Very pretty on the pool deck as well. Outback, no black. Another popular color in our gray family, Overcast. So this is predominantly gray. You have the black and the white as well in there. It's really super popular, especially if you have black or white or gray sports cars. I've seen this in all kinds of garages. Looks beautiful on balconies as well, but it's a very popular color, and we have here Overcast. Orbit. So this we have the denim dark blue, royal blue, some light blue, black, and white. It looks gorgeous down. I always recommend everyone to please watch the videos of the before and afters of this color because it looks really sharp, especially if you have a black car, a white car. It's a really nice balance of sporty and fun, and it looks really great with white walls, dark walls, any color that we have. And I've done it on a few driveways too. It really is sharp, and it's an eye catcher, so everyone would love this in your garage. Nightfall, the newest color in our palette here at 24 Hour Floor. Beautiful shades of gray with black. So this looks really gorgeous on any floor that you have. In your garage, I've done this on a few warehouses, some office space. It's a super natural looking dark color, so it could resemble asphalt if you like that dark, but it is really pretty and it's our newest color. So get you some Nightfall. Here we have Hickory. So another one of the natural palettes we have here at 24hourfloor.com. Some of the terracotta flake, you have a super light tan, a chocolate, and a little bit of black flake. So it kind of has a little bit of everything, but maintaining that light color, which again, it doesn't stain, so you don't have to worry about having that light color, especially in your balcony and patios. It cleans up very nicely. So if you like this kind of palette, go with Hickory. This color I like to call the classic, Domino. Very popular, black and white with gray. Everyone seems to love this color. This is the classic color of the palettes that we have here at 24 Hour Floor. Super popular for garages. You can pick it for any surface, indoor or outdoor. But this is a beautiful garage color, and it's called Domino. Creekbed is another color here at 24hourfloor.com that we have with the natural colors. You have tan, very brown terracotta flake, some white, some very, very dark chocolate that's not black in there. It looks really pretty down, and it resembles beach sand when you put it down on the floor. So very popular for garages, pool decks, any surface, indoor or out. Very popular choice is Creekbed. Okay, gravel. This color is called gravel, 24hourfloor.com favorite. Dark gray, light gray, some silver and white. It's really beautiful on any floor, any surface of your home, indoor, outdoor patio, especially a garage. Very, very nice color if you like the lighter of the gray. It's one of the lightest colors in our palette as well. So if you really like the light gray and the white look, go for gravel. Here we have Everest, a very popular color here at 24hourfloor.com. It's one of the lightest of our palettes. And you don't have to be afraid to put this in your garage. It's very popular because 24hourfloor.com, you don't have to worry about hot tire marks in your garage. So with our 15-year warranty, you're going to be able to go in and out of your garage 100 times a day, and it's not going to leave a hot tire mark, even on the lightest color. I've done this in parking garages in the busiest buildings, and it still looks beautiful year-round. So here we have Everest.